Are you getting everything in your diet to keep your body looking and feeling great? When it comes to looking and being healthy, our body is connected both inside and out. Healthy skin is just as important for looking good as it is to properly protect your body from disease and infection. If you're on the go and working hard day in and day out, then you're probably missing out on essential fatty acids. So, if you want to be ready to be out in today's environment, then you need to support your body's daily functions with Max357 Omega Oil Supplements. Omega-3 oils are essential for keeping our hearts, brain, eyes, and nerves healthy. But did you know that there is a formula that combines omega-3 with other important omegas to work even better? Max357 supplies a proprietary blend of omega-3, omega-5, and omega-7 essential fatty acids, all proven to have additional positive effects for a strong antioxidant defense and healthier skin. In addition, these oils are vital in supporting the moisture replenishment of mucosal membranes, providing anti-aging benefits for skin, hair, and nails. Max357 is formulated with a proprietary combination of plant and fish oils, sustainably harvested right and packed fresh to lock in potency and reduce oxidation of the oil. No impacts on the environment, but big impacts for your health. Max357 keeps you looking and feeling great for whatever comes next.